Okay. Hey, by the way, if you are in the 3-point contest, just come on down. We gotta wait for you to call your name. Just come on down and have 5 over here and 5 over here. Ready to go. So 5 here and 5 here. Ready to go. If you are in the 3-point contest, 3, just 3. Yeah, 3 each. So, again, we're in the 3-point contest. We got Mahmoud here. We got, is Omar. Is Omar, is Elise here, no? She's not here? Okay. We got Mahmoud and Jawad and Jawad. Jawad, you're in the 3-point contest as well. We'll stand over here for right now so we know. Omar, is Omar down here? Yep, he's right there. We got Billy Brownlaw. Billy Brownlaw, there we go. And we got Newark here. Libby, Newark. Okay, there you go right there. Fester, Nades, and Osama. Fester, Nades, and Osama. Are you guys all on the court? Alright, cool. Alright, let's start off with Mahmoud and Jawad. Everybody else get off the court. Listen, this is not the time to be shooting. Mahmoud and Jawad. Jawad, are you here? Mahmoud down here. Right here? Never mind. Jawad, can you go down there? He's already over here. Jawad, can you go down there? Yep. So we got Mahmoud here and Jawad here. Guys, all we need is 3 rebounders. We don't need 6. We don't need 6. There's 3 guys. We got Mahmoud and Jawad. Jawad is here, Mahmoud is here. Yeah, so listen, 3 shots. On each 5 spots, AB. 3 shots. Yes. No. Jawad is up first. Right here. Come on. Alright. And can we put a minute 15 on the clock? A minute 15 on the clock. You get 15 shots. 15 shots. Alright? 15 shots in total. Ready? Get set. Go! Here we go. Do we gotta make it? Maybe keep score over here. Keep score over here if you can.
Hey, get out there and show them how to shoot. You know what I'm saying?
We got 1.
We got 1 over there.
2. We go for 3.
Good passes.
We got 3.
We got 3 here. I see you, Jawad. Go ahead, boy. Take your time. We got a lot of time left. Hey, Mom, you can't do this, Mom. Okay, there we go. That's 1. Here we go. Alright, not bad.
So we got 3 on this side.
We got 1 on this side. That's 2.
4. We got 4.
1 at a time, guys. 1 at a time.
That's right.
It's a wrap.
We ended up with 4.
Alright, there we go. That's 2. Mahmoud 2. Jawad 4. Hey, clap up for both shooters. Good job. Hey, by the way, everybody that's in the 3-point contest paid $100 to be a part of it. So we have 1 spot open if someone is interested. 1 spot. There is $100 to charity though. $100 to charity. So I'm letting you know. If anyone is interested, Fatty's in there. There we go. We got a line. Alright, next up. Since we already got Omar here, we now have Omar. What we got? Khalid. Alright. Khalid and Omar. Hey, by the way, Khalid, last year's champ. Khalid is in the building. Here we go. Omar Abdullah and Khalid Mahi. Ready? Omar, are you ready? Get set. Ready? Get set. Go!
First shot going up.
Cal with the defending champ. Hey, I have no belts for everyone. It's not a big deal, guys. How many we got over here? 2. 3. Top 2 scores advance to the finals.
That's 1.
4. How many you got over here?
2.
You got five. Got five so far.
Standing strong.
6. You got 6 still. A lot of time.
4. That's 5. We got 5 on this side.
Alright, 9 on this side, 5 on this side. Now we